So we just completed the Creating Your Reality course in Florida, and it's been, it really is hard to explain. It's extremely powerful. It's an intense experience. It's very personalized, with an incredible amount of attention directly with Maria, and we became very close with the group that we have. But the process that she takes us through has been, it's been transformational. It's been intense. It's been eye-opening. It's brought awareness to things that I haven't noticed or addressed in myself before, that I can now see has been holding me back. And I'm just so truly excited to move forward, knowing that I just feel free. I feel like the most expansive version of myself, and that I've been able to let go of things that I know have been holding me back. Like, you know when you're not your full self, and yet it's hard to pinpoint. And I do lots of different types of work and mindset work and spirituality, and I feel this is definitely very unique. It's not like anything else, and I feel like it is just like the transformation is happened. That was my message at the end, that you are complete. So thank you, Maria.